I get this question a lot. What are foods that you could eat before your workout if you're running low on energy, you haven't eaten all day, you're trying to do your fasted workout, but you just can't take it anymore, you need that extra boost of energy. So in this video, we're going to talk about 6 foods that you can try and eat right before your workout to optimize your energy levels and performance. Let's get it. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kurt, welcome to Fitness Lifestyle. If you're stopping by for the channel for the first time, hit that subscribe button, notification bell to get future content. So in this video, we're going to talk about and dive deep into 6 foods you should try right pre-workout, right before you work out. These are foods that I try, and I'm sharing this with you. I had a subscriber who asked this question, which I thought it was a good question. Actually, it was someone from Instagram who asked this question. I did a workout video, and the person was asking me, because that workout video was high intensity, and that person was asking me, what's some foods they should try before they work out, nothing too heavy, something that's clean that can give them that extra boost of energy. So in this video, we're going to talk about it. The first one, try cereal. If you don't have enough to eat before you exercise, you might not have enough gas in the tank. You might burn a few of the calories also too as well. Some healthy carbs at least an hour in advance of your workout. Try a bowl of whole grain cereal with skim milk and cut up some fruit or some whole wheat toast or bagel. So guys, try that. That might help you for your pre-workout to get you that extra energy boost. Number 2, this is something I always use and I learned years ago. Try a banana. Don't have much time before you head to the gym, eat an apple or a banana 5 or 10 minutes before your workout for some quick natural energy. So that natural energy is going to be really good. Like I always cut the banana in half and eat it real quick, like a half an hour before a workout, just to give that energy boost. So you're not consuming that many calories, but you're also going to get that extra boost of energy to kind of push you through your workout. Number 3, try an energy bar. When you're working out late in the day, have a small snack about an hour before you get started. A sports bar that has 200 calories or less is a good option. Look for a bar with low fiber content, ideally 3 grams or less. Too much fiber before workout can upset your stomach. So just keep in mind that too much fiber can upset your stomach, but again, you're looking for those small nutritious snacks that can help and give you that extra energy boost, okay? Number 4, try grilled chicken at dinner time, okay? When you exercise regularly, you need more protein than people who don't, especially after a workout. Your body uses it to repair muscles, to make good blood cells, and also many other purposes as well. For lunch and dinner, serve a leaner source like grilled chicken or turkey instead of something like a cheeseburger. So guys, just keep that in mind. And later on for lunch or dinner, try grilled chicken. It does give you that protein that you're going to need to fill your muscles back up after your extensive workout, okay? Number 5, this is something that is really, really important. Vegetables. Eat vegetables, okay? When you exercise regularly, it's all too easy to overestimate how many calories you burn. An intense hour-long bike ride can burn up to 590 calories. But a more leisure one might also use 290. While you might feel like you earned a cookie, it's better to snack on fruits and vegetables after you work out, pair to your produce with protein to help you feel more full and replenished. So this is something that I've noticed and realized even through my journey and my lifestyle, is incorporating more vegetables into my diet. Vegetables, like for an example, I eat a whole bag of kale. Like I go to Walmart, get a bag of kale, and I eat that as my base of my salad, right? So that's only 100 calories, but it's so satiating that after I eat a whole bag of kale, I'm not hungry anymore, nor do I want to eat. So that's a good trick where you can eat way less calories but more volume. That's going to fill you up, especially if you're trying to cut, and especially if you're trying to lose that weight. And the last one, number 6, is you want to hydrate. Drink water. Water is so important as we develop in our workouts, in our lifestyle. Is like for an example, I like to try lemon in my water. Like I'll get I cut up some lemon. Like I have my lemon water right now, and that's helped me a lot too. Because sometimes since water doesn't have no taste, lemon juice don't have no calories, right? So you just cut up some lemons, put it in there. There's no extra calories, but you get that extra flavor. And also lemons have health benefits like antioxidants that can help you with cleaning out your system. So try it and make sure you do those 6 things. The other thing I want to mention too is that all of this information that I share is in my free ebook, How to Lose Weight Fast. And again, this free ebook is going to give you all the trick strategies that to implement in your weight loss journey and your diet, or if you're trying to just improve your overall lifestyle, right? I give you the step-by-step blueprint process of how to do that. I talk about nutrition, intermittent fasting, and exercising. There's some key things in your nutrition. There's some key things regarding intermittent fasting that's helped me, and hopefully this information will help you. That's why I put everything into an ebook. So click the link in the description, download the free ebook. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Hope this video was helpful. Let's get fit, let's gain wealth, let's improve our lifestyle.